Hello folks and welcome to 4 Season Backpacking. Please subscribe for the latest outdoor adventure videos.
Not a very nice place to sleep really, is it? Better than outside in the rain though, I guess. Anarchy, freedom. Hi there folks, you join Richard, your host for Cross Britain Way, day 8. Last night was kind of interesting because I had the landowners come up to me where I was camping. I thought it was owned by the Forestry Commission, the land, but apparently it's private land, but they were okay about it. They were a bit worried that I was going to be fishing there because there was like a pond, and worried if I was going to have a fire because people have apparently been up there and had fires, but I said no, you're alright, and I said I'll pick up all my rubbish before I leave, and they were fine, so that was cool. So cheers to them, and a nice peaceful night. Moira, I think that's how you pronounce it, would have thought. Moira. And I can confirm there is a shop and post office in Moira. Apparently I'm doing part of the Ivanhoe Way as well. As you see down there, there's a familiar sight all across Britain at the moment, with housing developments just engulfing villages all over the country for houses people can't afford. It's quite sad really, because a lot of this path has been, some of this path is, well, not a lot of it, but some of it's been detoured because of the housing developments come to a canal, and this is part of the Ivanhoe Way as well. That looks like a swing bridge on a canal to me. I wonder if it's a working canal. I wonder what the name of the canal is. Oh, looks like an old business there. Bit hard to take a picture of because of the light. It's going to come out a bit shit, but that's pretty cool. Oh, this bit here, this wheel. Wow. Should we have a go? Might have to have a lock key or something to use it. I don't know. It might be locked up. Must have to have a key, canal key, which I don't have obviously now, no point. Okay, should have looked before I put my bag down. Okay, I hope there's bins over there. Looks like there is. Cool. Shed some weight. Look, they're blocking the canal, so I'm guessing this isn't a canal that's in use. Unfortunately, again, another out of use canal. It's in good condition, this bit anyway. It's probably for sentimental purposes. Ashby Canal apparently. Ashby Canal, another canal. The Ashby Canal was completed in 1874 and runs for 30 miles from Marston Junction near Bedworth to Moira. In spite of the name, the canal never went to Ashby. Yeah, that makes sense. Better. Get it just about in. Sweet. Right, well, that is the Ashby Canal. a Moira furnace for you. Well, in memory of Ashby Way. This guy was born at the furnace. How cool is that? Just taking a few pictures there. Well, he's actually going them. Well, there's a good bit of history along this canal. Obviously these have been totally reconstructed, you can tell. Rebuilt. Totally reconstructed. A lot of it has anyway, you can tell. Wow. Cool. Well, that's the Ashby lime kilns. Looks like the cricket grounds. Doesn't look like football grounds. Bowling? Maybe bowling. Just about to go under an old railway bridge by the looks of it. Not in use anymore. So that's an old disused railway bridge. Disused canals, disused railway bridges, kilns. Well, there's plenty of places around here you could stick a tent, aren't there? There's loads of woods this path goes through, and I'm just coming into Overseal and South Derbyshire according to the sign. Just left the village called Overseal. It's got a shop and funny enough it's got a pub called Robin Hood. Just coming into Greenwich Wood. Grange Wood. Yeah, it's even got a Macmillan Way sticker on there. Sort of ponds they have across the country on farms like these ancient. A lot of them are ancient, and were for the I guess for the cattle or people travelling by for water. Looks like I've just arrived at Penguin Wood at Botany Bay, but not in Australia Botany Bay, but in Derby, England. Just gone through Potter's Woods. Welcome to Penguin Wood at Botany Bay, a novel day out. And a site in addition to the Harden National Forest. Penguin Wood covers over 100 acres of Botany Bay Farm, which was so yeah, if you want to read that, pause it. But yeah, it's another woods with an interesting name, and it's another one of my favourites, a hayfield. I can tell you it is so muggy and hot today, cloudy, but it's incredibly hot, so hopefully that helps the solar out a bit. I'm not sure if it will. And we're heading to another village. I'm not sure what the name is, but apparently, well, if I've got it right, there is a co-op there, and according to OS map, Ordnance Survey, there's a campsite, but this could be out of date because I didn't see it on Google Maps. I actually only need to get water for the next place as well, because the last place, because I've got enough food, so it's pointless buying anymore. I'm making the bag more heavy. Coming into Rosliston, and this is the village. I think there might be a co-op, but it looks a bit small on the map, so I'm not sure where I'm thinking there was a co-op here. I've just left Rosliston, and there's a fairly big co-op there. Not supermarket size, but bigger than most of the village co-ops. A good sized co-op, not a supermarket size one though. And there's a fish and chip shop right next to it, so I got some fish and chips, my first fish and chips on the hike. and £6. Only £6. How cheap is that? And I'm just about, for £6 this, £6, how cheap is that? And I'm about to tuck in and have my first fish and chips on the trail. This is a part of the official trail. I was just about to go on the trail to walk up and at Fairfield's farm. Just take a picture of that. It has got a, it's got like a sign there. This is day 8 on the Cross Britain Way, so this is part of the track. There is a bit over here, but it's a little bit overgrown, and I'm probably going to get stung legs. Probably going to get an electric shock. If it's been raining, by the way, and you touch those things, they give you a shock because it goes straight through the plastic. Okay. Okay. Ow. Okay, I managed not to get electric shock, just leaving it. So how easy is this to undo? Bit of an awkward gate with the barbed wire. But yeah, no problem. Not easier going out than it was in. Just walking through here. Path's looking a little bit overgrown on the path side, or the trail side, obviously. Right by an electric fence. You would not want to walk through here with trail trainers. You see this? All this fawn shit I've got to get through with this bag. Without touching that electric wire. Look, there's a thorn that's going to bash right into the back of me when I go through there. And I've got to go through there without touching that. Ow! Fuck this shit. I think it is the path. Obviously no way of walking through there. Not impressed with this bit at all. What a joke. Well, I'm hoping I can get out through the other end. Just heading for the village down here of Walton-on-Trent. Walton-on-Trent. And this is looking a little bit overgrown. Hopefully it's not all like this. I'm hoping it's not. I'm trying to avoid being crucified on these spiky shit, which is hard. Not too. That's pretty much impossible to avoid. The gaiters would be useful to a certain extent, but to be honest, don't need them too often, so it's probably not worth bringing them. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get down this way. Oh god, it's so hot, mate. So hopefully I can get down here. Not impressed with these last few fields, as you know from the last videos. Hopefully send a sign of things to come. Okay, it seems alright now. Just about to go over the Trent, over the River Trent, from Walton-on-Trent, 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 I'm not sure. So this is the River Trent I'm going over. Well, that's quite a big river. Oh, interesting bridge. It's kind of like entirely made of Meccano. Looks like a replacement bridge for one that's got washed away or something, like, you know, and they quickly make a replacement bridge. Doesn't look like a full-time bridge. It's not very old, it's not been here for long. It's still got the stickers on it. Or was that just stickers to say it's been checked? I don't know. So that's the River Trent I just gone over. Oh, it's a one-lane road bridge, so yeah. And I have to say, this part of the hike is bloody horrible, man. It's much more busy than more built up than the Boston to Abbotsbury one. The places you go past and through are much bigger. There's been a few big places. This is just horrible. Not nice at all. I'm by Braunston Water Park. I don't know if I can go down there or what. Let's go down here. It seems to be down here. Okay, what's this along here then? It's supposed to be going along the road. Oh, I guess this is the road I'm supposed to be going along. And it looks like it's by the canal. So go along the road, across the canal, and towards the water world, whatever that's like. I'm on a canal, but I'm not sure what canal it is. It's actually a boat. It's actually a canal that's in use. Oh yeah, alright. Okay, so this is where I come off the canal. I just got to go over this bridge. Bridge 38 to whatever canal this is, I have no idea. Just went to the local shop here. I don't know what this place is called, to be honest. Walton-on-Trent. I'm going to sit down here because I need to put my bottle in my bag. I've got a 1.5 litre bottle of water, hopefully that's enough. Just left the town of, I think it's, I'm just looking now. Barton-under-Needwood. Oh, Barton-under-Needwood. Barton-under-Needwood village. At first I thought it just had a little corner shop. Went in there. Got a really crappy brand of water. Not one I really wanted, but you know, it was £1 though. That was actually cheap. Then of course, around the corner was a fairly big co-op. So there is a co-op there if you need to do some shopping, which is cheaper and obviously more choice. So I did get some milk from the co-op and some fruit. And vegetables. Oh mate, I'm gonna have a rest at the top of here. Well, today I should have done 30 when I finish, because I've done 23.5 kilometres now, and it is 4:19. So yeah, 30k today should be okay. Decent sized town or village with the shops. It's quite, probably 10 kilometres away. About 10 kilometres, maybe more, I don't know. So it's not too close. So basically now there's going to be a lot of rural walking, so there's going to be should be plenty of opportunity to put the tent up. Actually a nice place in the co-op. Friendly person in there, very friendly. So yeah, this area is quite friendly actually. Yeah, I was talking to a few people on the way actually. There's quite some friendly people about here in this area. So yeah, it's nice. This bit of path is a little bit overgrown, it's not too bad though. But in general the path is alright really. Considering the time of year, you got to remember the time of year. And it's not a national trail, so considering that, and this, I don't know, I don't think many people walk this Cross Britain Way. Local people I've spoken to, they don't seem to, some people don't even know about it, so you can't get many people coming along here. I don't think many people do it. I have to say, I think the Boston to Abbotsbury one is better than this Cross Britain Way one. Like this Cross Britain Way one seems a bit more built up in places, quite built up, which is, it's alright. I mean there's no problem for shops once you get past the, you know, the flatlands at the start. Absolutely no problem. There's pretty much shops at almost every village after that, apart from the very, you know, small ones. Starting to get a bit not looking good actually, is it? Maybe I should have walked in the field. I'll make it. It's not going to be a pleasant walk there. Oh, that's not too bad. It's getting to be bad. Another day or two of rain and heat, this will be not good at all. Today it's been so hot, and it did rain a bit last night as well, so still hot now. It's, I don't know what time it is now, 4:48, still hot. Sort of late August now. August will soon be over and peak season for holidays will be over. The temperature will start to drop. September still can be warm, but it ain't going to be as warm as this. Looks like there's people coming up this way. Fucking hell. Ah, shit. Wonder if it's day walkers, or it's probably day walkers just going to this town I've just come from. And I'm just walking down a bit of a steep hill on a road, and I noticed there's so many footpaths going off into the fields here. I don't know if they're rights of way, but they're not on most. A lot of them, actually no, those ones are on the ice. There's so many footpaths around here, so that's pretty cool. And they all seem to be pretty well cut to walk on, so a lot of options to sit, go off the path and camp, I guess, which is pretty damn good. Seems to be a river down here. Could be a flood problem if it pisses down the rain, because it's in quite a valley. Not quite a Welsh style valley yet, but it's getting there. I'm just wondering when I'll cross the Pennine Way, because I don't think I have, and I'm in the Peak District and it should be around there somewhere, and obviously this path will cross the Pennine Way because I'm crossing straight across Britain, so across from east to west Wales from East England. So should cross the Pennine Way. Well, this bit of land, there was some decent forest, but it turns out they got signs everywhere saying private, keep out, fuck. So I'll keep moving, man. And looks like I've just seen some woods as a possibility for camping on the map. Hopefully not owned by little Lord Fauntleroy with private signs everywhere, so I can put my tent up. I think it'd be alright. Just going past Range Wood, fencing surprise. I'm coming to an A road to cross. So we've got to cross the road. Okay, it's a track. Oh, here we go. Hopefully somewhere to camp. I'm not sure it's safe to camp right under these pylons. Somehow I don't think so. It's not likely it can't be healthy being by these things. Probably won't hurt for a night then. Put the bloody tent up here, mate. Okay, I think we go along a bit more. There's got to be somewhere along here I can put my tent. It's a bit overgrown, isn't it? Okay. I don't think it's safe to put my tent here. Oh my god, look how overgrown this is. This is actually the path. This is totally overgrown, mate. Am I going to get through here? Ah, Jesus! Do you reckon it's possible to get through here? Actually, I think I'm on the wrong path. I don't know. Ah! Ow! I think this is the path. I don't want to be walking through in the dark. Oh mate, I think this is a bad idea. Ow! Looks like it might get better. So I got some nice stings. Cheers, mate.
Sorry, in this episode I forgot to film the wild camping spot in the morning and the wild camping spot for later that evening.